So here's a ball valve. It looks like that. The size is 1 inch, that is 25 millimeters. That's the inside diameter. If you use a measuring tool at this end, it's not 25, it's exactly 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters. The other end is identical. Okay, and that's the shut off valve's handle. If you rotate, notice a sphere is rotating inside. Now it's opened and now it's closed. It's closed on both ends. This way to the left, and it has a white plastic inside. Now it's visible, it's on both ends, there at that end and here and at this one also. So the metal ball is sliding on those, and if we take a look how to do that this way, yes, we can see that the plastic is only on the side, so more inside there is metal. So the two plastic rings are only at the two ends. Now it's fully opened, and now it's fully closed. So a shiny, smooth surface metal ball with a large opening on it is being rotated to control the flow of water, and that's how this thing is shutting off the flow of water when it is. So the pipe will be here, and when the handle is at 90 degrees, then the water, as a comparison, it cannot go past, so it's like a gate. But if it's in one line with it, then the water can go on the side and it can pass. So that's how to know when the valve is open or closed. The water can go next to it, but the water cannot go because it will bump into it. So when it's at 90 degrees it's closed, and when it's at 0 or 180 degrees compared to the pipe, then it's opened. This can be removed. It's rotating only 90 degrees from here till there. That thing is limiting it. Here we also have something, but that's not doing anything in this case. And inside thread, hexagonal here, you can grab it. It's not rotating, but you can hold it fixed in a fixed position.